Hi there. I just wanted to ask, following up the announcement last week about the 200,000 rapid tests that were going to be sent out for educational workers in the K-12 sector. Checking around with some districts today in Metro Vancouver, and anecdotally have heard that some districts seem to have their tests and others don't yet. So I was just curious what the status of the rollout is, and will the province be looking to secure more rapid tests for the school community beyond this initial amount?
The answer to the second question is yes, absolutely. As they're coming in, what we would like to see is right now the target is supporting staff and teachers and staff in those settings to make sure if they have symptoms that they have an option of getting tested to understand what's happening. But yeah, once we get a larger supply, and I've said this for several months, what we would like to be able to do is provide them to parents so that you can make those decisions for your child if they have symptoms on any given day, and that's part of the plan. In terms of rollout, I know that they've gone out to each of the school districts, and I don't know, you have more information on that, on the operations and logistics.
Sure. See, yes, they've gone out in their hundreds of thousands. They'll continue to go out. Just to give you an update on where we are as of January 27th, BC's received about 7,528,000 rapid tests. We've deployed 5,737,000 of those. That leaves a current inventory of 1.791 million, 597,000 of which we've received over the last few days. So those are received and then processed and moved out. As you know, about 556,000 of that inventory aren't suitable for deployment or takeaway use. And just to give you a sense of where we are this week, this week we'll be delivering over 1,666,000 test kits, including on those on hand, and expected new test kits arrivals as follows: 351,000 to COVID-19 test sites, 250,000 to replenish supply at acute care centres, 260,000 to support the testing of visitors and symptomatic staff in long-term care and symptomatic staff in assisted living, 130,000 to support remote, rural and Indigenous communities, 300,000 additional tests to support K-12 education, 375,000 to support business and organizations as part of the point-of-care testing process, and over 250,000 rapid tests are in the process of being delivered to the childcare sector. As you know, and I think I laid out on Tuesday, we are expecting between today and the middle of February about 10.5 million rapid tests. That's a reduction in what we expected, but still a considerable amount. And as those tests come out, they'll be distributed to key priority areas, and K-12 education is clearly one of them.
Maria, do you have a follow-up?
Thank you, yes. Also relating to part of the announcement last week, along with the rapid tests for schools, it was mentioned that there would be additional funding coming to support further upgrades and improvements for ventilation in K-12 schools, that would be made available soon, in addition to the investments that have already been made. So what is happening with that new money that's expected for those types of upgrades?
Yeah, I'm afraid you're going to have to refer that to the Ministry of Education. Obviously, they're the people who know all the details of those funding announcements. I know that they're working very hard on that, and that there's been an initiative and every school has been assessed, but I can't give you the details of that specific announcement.